Have you ever dreamed of owning a vacation home that you could use for your own getaways, but also generate income when you're not there? If so, then investing in short-term vacation rentals might be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll talk about the potential for high returns on investment, the flexibility and control you'll have as a vacation rental owner, and the tax benefits of owning a vacation property. We'll also discuss some potential risks and challenges to be aware of and provide practical tips for those who are considering investing in short-term vacation rentals. So, what are the benefits of investing in short-term vacation rentals? Well, first and foremost, there is the potential for high returns on your investment. If you own a vacation rental property that is well maintained and located in a popular tourist destination, you can often generate more income than you would with a traditional long-term rental property. Another benefit of vacation rentals is the flexibility and control you have as the owner. You get to choose your guests, set your own rate, and determine the terms of your rentals. This allows you to tailor your property to meet the specific needs and preferences of your target market. In addition to the financial benefits, there are also tax benefits to consider. Owning a vacation rental property can allow you to claim deductions for things like mortgage interest, property taxes, and repairs, which can help reduce your overall tax burden. While some may argue against using this popular term, investing in short-term vacation rentals can provide a source of passive income. With the right systems in place, it's possible to manage a vacation rental property with minimal time and effort, allowing you to earn income without the need for a traditional 9-to-5 job. You may have to do some considerable work up front before it truly becomes passive income, but there is plenty of evidence to suggest that this is indeed achievable. Of course, it's important to be aware that investing in short-term vacation rentals is not without its risks and challenges. One potential risk is seasonality and fluctuating demand. Depending on the location of your property, you may experience periods of high and low demand. This can impact your rental income and make it more difficult to predict future earnings. Another risk to consider is the need for ongoing maintenance and repairs. As with any property, vacation rentals require ongoing maintenance and repairs to keep them in good condition. This can be a significant expense, especially if you own multiple properties. Additionally, there is the risk of property damage or theft. While insurance can help mitigate these risks, it's important to be aware that they can occur and plan accordingly. Depending upon where your vacation property is located, insurance could be a significant expense to factor into your budget. One aspect that is commonly overlooked is the marketing side of owning a vacation rental property, and with that comes the risk of negative reviews or complaints from guests. While most travelers are respectful and understanding should minor things go wrong during their stay at your property, there's always a risk that you may receive negative feedback or complaints from guests. It's important to have a plan in place for addressing these issues and maintaining a positive reputation. So, what can you do to increase your chances of success as a vacation rental owner? First, it's important to do your research and find the best location for your property. Look for areas with high demand from tourists, such as beach towns or ski resorts. While this conventional wisdom holds true a majority of the time, many vacation rental owners have had success in non-traditional properties as well. So keep your eyes and your imagination open to all the possibilities when searching for your vacation rental. Now, along these lines, consider the type of property that will appeal to your target market. For example, a luxury beachfront villa may be more appealing to high-end travelers than a basic studio apartment. Is your audience looking for a rustic outdoor adventure or a quiet cabin in the woods to escape the city life? If you know your audience, you can learn to appeal to their needs and find your guests much easier. Developing audience insights is just one part of developing a strong marketing strategy, which is crucial for attracting guests to your property. You'll most likely need to create a professional website, utilize online booking platforms, and leverage social media and other online marketing channels to reach your audiences. There are many platforms online that can help you get you started with building and executing your marketing plans. At the end of the day, once you have your marketing plan developed and you're finally finding guests to rent your property, effective property management becomes critical to maintaining a successful vacation rental. This may include things like maintaining the property, responding promptly to guest inquiries, and handling any issues that may arise during a rental. If you can master this aspect of owning a vacation rental property, your chances of being successful with this venture increase dramatically. So, are you ready to dive into short-term vacation rentals? Investing in short-term vacation rentals can be a rewarding and lucrative opportunity with the potential for high returns on investment, flexibility and control, and tax benefits. However, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and challenges and to take steps to mitigate them through careful research, planning, and effective property management. If you're considering investing in a vacation rental property, we encourage you to do your due diligence and seek guidance from professionals such as real estate agents or financial advisors. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can increase your chances of success as a vacation rental owner. Good luck! Be sure to like and subscribe for more great content from Zephyr.